So we need to distribute from this row, no? Example, family name, first name and last name. So para mag-complete yung distribution niya, so example, yung pangalan po ng tao is dalawa, may space, example Joros Eris. So we need to join na lang, no? So we need to as one, no, for the names, para after natin ma-distribute is hindi po ma-distribute into 4 columns. So okay, so continue lang natin. Example, John Kyle. So this one na lang, Jasper Lloyd. Click natin. Example, si Aisel Ninia. So we need to this one. Example, Brent John Carl. This one na natin para hindi ma-distribute into how many columns. Example, Delisa Jean. So we need to join. Then example, I give you an example about the ito, Hamulo Delisa Jean. So example, lagyan natin ng space para makikita ninyo yung result, no? So ito is 4 na columns yung i-distribute niya. From the example, there is the family name, first name, the additional name, the gene, and also the middle name. So ito pong result pag hindi nyo pinagsama yung pangalan ng bata. Okay, let's start. So how to distribute from this text join to each column, or highlight all the names. Highlight lang natin. Okay, after ma-highlight, so we need to click the data. Ito, click the data from your Excel. So after clicking the data, you need to find the text to column. So ito, you need to click lang. Then after click, so okay na yung delimited. So pag nakaklik yung delimited, meaning characters such as the commas or tabs separate each field. So isi-separate niya yung pangalan from text join to distribution of each Excel. Okay, we need to click next. Then we need to click the comma and also the space para may space. So yung tab, remove natin yung tab. Then we need to next. Click next. After the next, so okay na, naka-general lang siya. It's okay. Then we need to click finish. Then this already data here. Do you want to replace it? Okay lang. So click OK. Okay, so after clicking OK, so there's the distribution of the text join to each column. Example, like kanina yung sinabi ko na pag hindi nyo pinagsama yung name ng bata, is ganito po yung mangyayari. There are 4 distribution. Example, Hamulo, Delisa, then Jane, then Cardinals. So you need to leave the blank. Example, Ben Carl. So you need to ano na lang, take double click na lang, then space na lang para ma-separate yung pangalan ng bata. Example, si John Jade. So si Chrisette Joyce. So double click na lang. So space, kayo na mag-space, no? So kasi ang distribution doon is there are 3, no? So that is the family name, given name, and also the middle name. Okay, so yun lang po, and I hope may natutunan kayo. So thank you and God bless.